Imagine a trader. Let's call him Alex. Alex has a trading strategy that wins 70% of the time. On paper, he should be crushing it, but he's not. His account keeps bleeding week after week. He's this close to quitting, convinced that trading is a rigged game he can't win. What Alex doesn't realize is this. His problem has nothing to do with his charts, his indicators, or even his strategy. It all comes down to one mental habit, the one thing that separates professional traders from everyone else. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what that habit is and how to build it for yourself. The paradox of the losing winner. Let's break down Alex's story, because it happens every single day in the markets. A 70% win rate sounds like a dream, but for Alex, it's a nightmare. He enters a trade. It starts moving in his favor. A small profit appears, but then fear whispers, what if it reverses? Take the profit now. So he closes it early, killing a potential winner. Later, he takes another trade. This one goes straight against him. The loss grows, and now ego and hope take over. It'll come back. It has to. I can't take another loss. So he holds and holds, maybe even moves his stop loss. One losing trade wipes out 5 or 6 tiny wins. After the hit, he's furious. He jumps into another trade, revenge trading, trying to win back what he lost. And that, right there, is how traders blow up accounts. Cutting winners short, letting losers run, and revenge trading. This is the perfect formula for financial destruction. It doesn't matter if your strategy wins 70 or even 80% of the time. If your losses are huge and your wins are tiny, you will never make money. Alex is stuck in this trap. And it's not a strategy problem, it's a psychological one. The diagnosis, the enemy within. All of Alex's mistakes come from one core issue, lack of emotional control. Our brains were not built for trading, they were built for survival. When money is on the line, the fear center of your brain fires up. Stress hormones surge, logic shuts down. Your emotions react faster than your trading plan ever can. Fear makes you close good trades too early. Greed makes you hold bad trades too long. These two emotions are the puppet masters of losing traders. Trading legend Mark Douglas said it best. Consistency doesn't come from the market, it comes from your mind. Your strategy is the map. Emotional control is the steady hand holding the compass. Building the armor. Practical emotional control. So, how do you develop emotional strength? Not by becoming a robot, but by building systems that protect you from yourself. Number 1, a pre-trade routine. Before you trade, check your emotional state. Are you calm, focused? If not, you don't trade. End of story. Number 2, mechanical rules. Use hard stop losses you never move. Set your position size before entering. Trade small enough that losses don't scare you. Use alerts instead of staring at charts all day long. Systems don't get emotional. You do, so let the system lead. Number 3, focus on the process, not the money. Pros judge themselves on discipline, not profit. Start journaling your behavior. Did you follow your plan? Did you respect your stop? Did you stick to your strategy? If yes, you won the day, even if you lost money. Number 4, think like a casino. Casinos don't care about one hand of blackjack. They care about thousands. Your trading edge works the same way. A single trade means nothing. Your long-term consistency means everything. The transformation. Now let's return to Alex. After months of frustration, he finally understands. The problem isn't his strategy. The problem is him. He builds a pre-trade checklist. He refuses to trade when he's emotional. He cuts his position size. He treats his stop loss like it's sacred. And he starts journaling his discipline, not his profit. Suddenly, things begin to change. He feels proud after taking a controlled loss because he followed the plan. He feels neutral after wins. They're just part of the process. His strategy stays the same, but now his winners run, his losses are small, and his account, slowly but surely, begins to grow. He stops gambling. He starts running a business. He becomes calm, controlled, consistent, and finally profitable. This transformation is possible for any trader willing to do the inner work. To help you start, I've created a free pre-trade checklist based on the principles in this video. Grab it using the link in the description. And tell me in the comments, which emotion destroys your trading the most? Fear or greed? I read every comment. Your personal issues will always show up in your trading. No indicator can fix a lack of emotional control. Emotional control isn't about shutting off your feelings. It's about becoming the calm CEO of your own mind, recognizing fear and greed, but never letting them take the wheel. Your strategy is the map. Emotional control is the steadiness that guides you. Master yourself, and you will master the markets.